Hey y'all, it's Bounty Hunter 240 back with another video. Today we're pulling General Lee back apart to have to fix it because it's been going on for a while now. But it's getting kind of sick and tired of it, honestly. Have to just get up, down, back in the shop and all that. So I'm getting tired of it. So I'm gonna fix it today. Now I promised all y'all. Sorry y'all for the last video that it was so crappy, but this video is gonna be different. And I'm gonna try and get this fixed. Now, my plan is right now, I want to clean the carburetor.
Kansas City police are searching for the person who stole more than $200,000 from the
because the plaza you always think is very secure and you don't expect it.
It's really hard to get up. Hold on. Alright. Flathead bit. Okay. Got our screwdriver. Husky, of course. Best brand ever. For me. It's actually a set that I got for Christmas. So, long wrench. Wrench still here.
Graham says the thief also stole a gold chain as well as several ruby and sapphire earrings and rings. Sergeant Don Jones
Really hard to do with y'all. Holding y'all too. Oh, see. Alright. Now, everything disconnected off the carb. Carb's completely disconnected. Now, come over here. Look. It's a mess. We're still rearranging. Okay, we got our pliers here. Oh. Yeah, that seal did not hold up. Alright, we got our car. Ooh. Holy cow, look at all that gas dripping. That's a bunch of gas. Open that up. Look at all that. Look at all that, guys. I don't know if y'all can see, but that's all coming from that carburetor. Okay, that gasket. I've had this thing apart before. This gasket. Trash. Gotta make a new one. Okay, carb's down here. Good. Okay, carb's apart. Oh, that's why we're leaking. Probably getting airflow through there because we're missing a bolt. Come over here. Sorry, it's a mess. Need some oil. And y'all, sorry if it's a big mess. Alright, you're missing a bolt there, that's why it's leaking.
rain showers. We see that on preset cast. In the Northland, Platte and Clay counties could see some sprinkles along the coast along I-29
this
and
one bolt
I-85
out.
in Kansas City. That won't last terribly long. It'll actually read out by about 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Then Thursday, 7:30 in the morning. This is going to be the very beginning of what could be a 2-day rain event in our area. First starting
It's honestly quite cleaner than I thought.
Could potentially be lighting up by noon on Thursday. Heavy downpours, possibly some wind and thunder in Kansas City and all along I-70.
Damn.
It looks wet for sure.
Wore me out.
Low clouds and temperatures cooling down exactly where we should be in the low 50s at this point in March.
Yeah, for some reason
By the weekend, though, this rain gets out Friday night, early Saturday morning. Be sure to set those clocks Saturday night and enjoy the feel out here. It gets like 70s. The rain arrives in the evening. It'll be helpful too.
Probably work.
An area college track coach will be heading to Paris this summer. This is no vacation. KU announces today the university's head track and field coach Stanley Whitwine will be the leading man in men's track and field.
What'd you do? Just take a picture, clean it?
Whitwine, one of the most decorated track and field coaches in the country, has been with KU for 24 seasons. Five-time Big 12 coach of the year. Whitwine includes a stint as the assistant coach for Team USA in the 2020
that's right.
the men's head coach. The outdoor world.
It's got a jump gun on it. Or you even start a project like that, should have all your stuff lined up and ready.
On his carburetor.
Yes. Question one.
Yeah.
The Chiefs and Royals.
You know, you could have had an explosion there.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah, I know.
More growth for
Oh, yeah?
and more good paying jobs and no new taxes. So vote
That
yes.
thing was to what
Let's keep it
happened.
going. Cheers.
Well, isn't she looking pretty out there? That old blazer.
Oh, yeah. look
Yeah,
at
it looks good. Yeah, you guys seen the inside too? Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, good job.
It ain't nice, guys.
It's,
not
but
better
it
than
looks,
rust.
yeah, it looks good to me.
Okay.
'Cause I'm used to seeing
Come back over here. So the wet.
It's much better to work with.
There was not. Yeah, no, it's a hell of a lot better. Yeah, you guys did good. Good work. You did. See, there you go. And then you'll get free, right? Yeah, see? There you go. That's good. That's good investment. So what you pay for it and what you, the money you put into it, how much should you pay to?
Got our 5/16.
Yeah, 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 it is. There you go. That's the
We're
way
gonna
to
take
do it.
this bolt right here.
Smart man, Liz. Yeah, so you got the little, stop spewing out gas everywhere. So I had to freaking follow him that day, and I'm like, and I had to be right up on his ass because he had no tag. And hi, Hunter, babe, I can say hello to you.
Hi.
He had to be right up on his ass, and I'm scared. And he smelled in a cigarette, and I'm like, oh my god, we're both gonna freaking blow up. Like, oh shit. You know, I was scared to death. That thing was shooting everywhere, but luckily we made it freaking safe. Yeah, I was a little worried.
Y'all see the tractor right now.
But we made it all right.
Sure how to.
Oh my goodness, it's too hot today. Gotta run to Walmart, get some for dinner, and I'm almost sure I felt torque broken.
Okay, got our carburetor here. Gotta put this
And it just, it's burns.
bolt,
But it
this
doesn't,
screw
it doesn't do it,
in
like overuse. I think I've
this
overused
hole.
it, but I need to get to the doctor.
Otherwise, it's gonna leak everywhere.
I pray to God it's not bad because I don't want to have to get surgery. That's a long, it's like a freaking 6 to 8 week healing process.
Okay.
So that's gonna be a
Take
bitch. I remember my mom had that for our
My sister just went through that. Brenda went through it. Did a couple little jobs
Take
done first. They
this,
replacing the whole thing.
loosen
And they cut it from her shoulders.
this other bolt here.
Goodness,
Did
okay.
that whole thing.
Yeah, that my mom had, yeah, she had hers done, but, so I'm hoping
Okay.
I'm wrong, but I don't think. Because
Screw
then when
that.
I go to try to lift something up above my head, there's no strength
There.
in that arm. It won't do it. So I'm pretty sure that I'm right, but I hope.
Brenda's having a hell of a time. Yeah, I think one thing after another.
Yeah, and that's your sister, you said? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, she's in the hospital and got her surgery all done.
This ain't going in. So
Went home. Her old man
we're gonna have to
was still upstairs, so she
chunk
went
it
up
up.
there to see if
Alright.
wake him up or whatever. He was dead. That's good.
Come over here.
Yeah.
Hey, I got a couple, 10 feet, extension cords for 93 cents apiece today. Do you need one?
Okay, no.
Okay, and then I got a 3-pack of 10 feet.
Nope.
Sometimes this one we still have some good sales going on today. So hold on, I'll
Okay, this is our bolt bin. Look in here for every bolt we're literally ever gonna need. So, look, I'm not seeing anything so far. About this bolt here. I mean, hey, too big. It's still too big. We need like a screw type bolt. Okay, we should thread that in. Back to the tractor.
Some of that stuff, the time I took that one, I couldn't keep my eyes open. And other people would take them all day long, going, working, driving, just like nothing. I don't know how they did it. Yeah, I don't know how they did it.
Over here. Sorry if y'all can't see. Kinda gotta start this bolt so then y'all can see here. Alright. I'm gonna figure this out. I'll record part 3 tomorrow. But other than that, I'll record everything else tomorrow. See y'all later. Peace.